Oh, hi there! IKEA just dropped a collab with the iconic Swedish designer Gustaf Westman, and it's everything. This collab is such a vibe, fun, colorful, and just so bold, and feels so high-end without the designer price tag. There are 12 products that launched as a part of the IKEA's winter collection, and today we're going through all of them. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm An, this is my dog Mars, and this here is my baby boy Leto. And we all love DIY, IKEA, and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The very first standout from this collab is the gorgeous LED table lamp slash wall lamp in pink. This was actually the first product I saw and just wow, it's such a showstopper. The wavy, almost cartoon-like shape is just pure magic, turning a simple table lamp into a playful art piece. I love that it's battery operated, so you can place it literally anywhere, no cords, no fuss, just a pop of sculptural light that will make any corner feel fresh and unique. Another light in this collection is also this LED candelabra in this bold, vibrant red color. This one's giving serious modern holiday vibes. Gustaf Westman took the classic candelabra shape and gave it a playful twist that feels fresh, graphic, and so eye-catching. Because it's LED, you get that cozy candlelight effect without worrying about real flames or dripping wax, and the metal finish makes it feel way more high-end than its price tag. It's the perfect statement piece for a shelf or a dining table. Now, speaking of decor, the next standout is this pink vase that's honestly unlike anything I've ever seen. The thin, light pink metal spiral wraps around the softly rounded glass, making it captivating piece even before you add flowers. It's one of those vases that looks just stunning, empty on a shelf, as it does filled with blooms. Just a perfect mix of playful design and modern elegance. Such a cool piece to have in your home. Now let's take a quick break so I can tell you a bit about today's sponsor. I actually just gave my outdoor space a complete refresh without spending a fortune on new cushions, and it's all thanks to today's sponsor Craftsy. You know, those outdoor cushions can get so faded so fast, but instead of replacing them, I decided to learn how to sew my own through a class on Craftsy called Cushion Rejuvenation with the instructor Aurora Sinceros. I'm all about using old stuff when doing makeovers, so this class taught me exactly how to measure, choose the right fabric, and even add zippers so I can switch out the covers and wash them whenever I want. And what I love most about Craftsy is that it's literally your own online resource for all things DIY and creative. They have over 2,000 classes in categories like sewing, quilting, knitting, home decor, and even woodworking. I've been eyeing this quilting class on modern table runners. It's just perfect for styling your dining space, and also there's a cake decorating class on piping techniques that I'm so excited to start. I'm all about making my own cakes, so I'm upping my game for sure. Not to mention the instructors are super friendly and just break everything down step by step, so even if you've never sewed anything before, you can actually create something pretty easy for your home. Plus, they keep adding new classes, so it's like having endless affordable DIY projects at your fingertips. And here's something really cool. The first 1,000 of you to click the link in my description box will get a full year of premium membership to Craftsy for only $1.49. Seriously, that's less than a pillow insert. It's less than a coffee. And you get an entire year of learning new skills. This offer is available for new members only, so hurry up to get yours. Now let's get back to our IKEA finds. The next piece is one of my favorite pieces from this collection, and that is this blue serving plate. This one's actually made for serving meatballs, and I love it so much. It's so unique, has such an organic shape and soft blue hue, making it way more than just a plate. it's a statement piece on your table. It's one of those designs that instantly elevates even the simplest comfort food into something special. I could totally see this one for serving other things such as falafel or olives, and I just can't wait to get mine on my next trip to IKEA. And speaking of plates, just check out these plates that come in dark green and a light pink option. I'm literally obsessed. Their square shape gives off major retro vibes, like something straight out of a stylish mid-century kitchen. They're playful and instantly make any table setting look way cooler. I'm all for it. Next up, from that same VINTERFINT line, are also these cups in those same pink and green color. They carry the same retro square inspired design as the plates, making your coffee or tea feel extra stylish. Honestly, they're the perfect mix of quirky and elegant, and another proof that Gustaf Westman just knows how to turn everyday items into little works of art. And circling back to decor, next we've got the VINTERFINT Candlesticks, available in light blue and red. These chubby little beauties are bold, bright, and just made to be seen. They don't just hold candles, they steal the spotlight all on their own, adding that perfect pop of color and playfulness to any space. These are just so full of personality and look so chic, definitely like something you would find in a store like Flying Tiger, not IKEA. Loving these. And we're finishing up with another set of candle holders. These charming holders with square shapes. These come in two eye-catching colors and in two different sizes. The smaller one for tea light holder in blue and the larger one for pillar candles in deep green. And again, such a unique design that's unlike anything you've ever seen. Will definitely add a playful touch to your table setting or decor game. And that wraps up this new funky and playful collection at IKEA. I just love this collection so much that I honestly had to come back from maternity leave just to cover it on my channel. Totally different and definitely not your typical IKEA. Let me know in the comment section below if you love this collection as much as I do. And if you do, tell me which piece you'd bring home. For me, that's definitely that meatball plate and the pink light. Also, are you excited as much as I am for this little fella to join us? Don't forget to show me your love in the comment section below as always. And I'll see you designers next week. Bye! He slept through the whole video. I'm so proud of him. I think he will join us pretty often.